Hi everyone, so today we're going to be doing a Chrysobox unboxing. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Chrysobox, I'm not quite sure. But this is a nail art subscription box, similar to the Nail Boxy. It's the only other one I could find that I wanted to do. So I'm just gonna read some of the things on the website about it. So it says how it works. Every month subscribers to Chrysobox receive a box of carefully selected full-size nail polish and will receive a full range of quality lacquers, gel polishes, nail art accessories, tools, and everything you need to get creative with your nail game. And if you prepay for 3 months, you get a free LED lamp. So it says step 1, you can sign up to choose 1, 3, 6, or 12-month automatic renewal subscription. I did the 1 month, and I believe it's $35 a month. Let me see if it'll say. It'll receive 4 to 5 nail care products plus nail art accessories or tools. All the items are worth $70 and up at retail price. And then it says about the free LED lamp again. Let me see. I believe the price was $35. Let me see. I'm gonna hit subscribe now. Yeah, $34.95 for month to month, or $100 for 3 months. $200 for 6 months, or $400 for 12 months roughly. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the nail box. I've been really excited about this. This is the February nail box, not the March one. So I received it right towards the end of February. I received it a little late, and then I was on vacation, so I didn't get to unbox it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay everyone, like I said, this is my first Chrysobox unboxing. If any of you know how to pronounce that, please tell me in the comments. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. When you open the box, it has their social media at the top. And then it has the February box, and it says what it comes with. And it says all the prices, so it's kind of like BoxyCharm. So we'll just go down the list. Okay, so the first is this Artist Day by Bio Seaweed Gel. I believe it's just a gel polish. Let's open it up and we'll find out. It has instructions of how to use it and all that good stuff. It comes with a lot of products in this. I really like this so far. I believe it's just a gel. Ooh, is it a gel top coat? It doesn't really say. It literally just says gel. It says professional use only, and it says that runs for $10, the Bio Seaweed Gel. Okay, let's go into the next product. There's this Daisy D&D, I believe. Oh, it's a gel, matching colored gel and nail lacquer. Oh, I love things like this, so that if someone's into nail polish and gel, you can do both. Oh, so it's a really pretty color. And it says, these retail for $8.25. Also says professional use only, gel and nail polish duo. That's a really pretty color. And like I said, it comes with the nail polish and the gel. So depending on what you do, let's see, the next product is Manicure and Pedicure Salt Soak Sugar Scrub Moisture Mask and Massage Cream Tingling Mint and CBD Gel. Oh, this is really cool. So like you could use this in your spa or your nail salon if you needed to. It comes with multiple, I don't know if they're all the same. Yeah, they're all the same thing in there, so it comes with 4 of them. Or no, it says 4 steps. It says it soothes tired muscles and feet with cool tingling sensation. And this 4-step tingling mint and CBD retails for $5.50, and this also says for professional use only. The next product is this Chariot Matte Top Coat. Oh, this is a gel top coat. I don't have any gel. I think I have one gel top coat, but I don't have a matte one, so I'm actually really excited to have this. It looks like a regular gel top coat, but a little more viscous, so a little more like nail polish to me. And it says this is for $13.99. And again, it says professional use only. Oh. So this is a cobalt blue Bun Bun Chrome pigment. So let's open it up. It looks like just like white chrome powder on the inside. I don't know if it will show up blue once you put it on gel. Not sure. It says Bun Bun Solid Chrome. And this retails for $18. That's a lot. And the last thing is a double-sided silicone pen. Oh, so this is for use. Oh, so like it literally comes with everything you would need to create a manicure with this stuff. So this is what you would use to put on the chrome pigment on your gel. So it literally comes with the colors you could use with it, the top coat, all that you could make a design with this. And let me add all this up actually and see how much it would have cost. So $8.25 plus 10, it's $5.50. So the total for this month's box would have been $61.73, and you only pay about half of that. You pay about $35. So that is a really good deal. Honestly, I really loved this box for the first box. It came with so much. I'm not sure. The only thing I'm not sure. Let me see. The Artist Day. It says retrieve for each of them. On the card, it comes with like little descriptions about all of them. So for the Bio Seaweed Artifacts. Artifacts. I think it's like an effect gel polish. Not quite sure. I'll have to test it out, but regardless, I'm really happy with all these products for my first box. Like I said, it comes with everything you would need to create the manicure, everything you need to put on the pigment. You have the gel, and then even something extra. So I'm really excited for this and to get more in these boxes. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and think about subscribing to Chrysobox. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And yeah, consider subscribing to this box as well.